How to delete EA account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can delete your EA account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Deleting your EA account is very simple. You go to your browser and type in delete EA account. You'll find the first link from EA help that says how can I close my EA account. Now, I can make sure to drop this link in the description as well. Once you've done that, here you can see you can't deactivate your delete your EA account yourself. You'll have to talk to one of our advisors, right? And right here you can see talk to one of our advisors to delete your account link. So you just have to click on this particular link here, and all you have to do from here is you simply need to talk to a live agent here. So if someone is going to get in touch with you, click on the start chat option. Just tell them that you want to delete your EA account and they should be able to help you with it. Just so you can delete your EA account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.